Hey, good afternoon. Bill Drakeley, Watershape University. Concrete surface profile for our renovation class and our plaster class. We're putting a new plaster on this pool. I talked about it before when we were doing the bond coat. If you take a look at where my hand is under the tile, we have good depth for the plaster, but we have a good concrete surface profile with the chipping and then the bond coat on top of the old material, which gives a good three-dimensional bond plane and a good grab. So whenever you're replastering or remodeling a pool, we're going to have this in our plaster class in Vegas. We're going to have this in our renovation class at the National Plasterers Council in Atlantic City as well. Bond plane, three-dimensional profile, good grab for the plaster to have a solid intact bond. The problem with replastering and delamination is the bondability is not very good. Got to make sure that bondability and the prep for it is set up and done properly. See you in Vegas. Keep your hands dirty.